Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. So today marks off week 9 of Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. So today's story time is all about spookiness, so it's perfect for the Halloween season. Make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. As always, we're going to start with You'll Sing a Song and I'll Sing a Song. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, so our next song I'm really excited to sing. It's really fun, so make sure that you boo along with me, okay? Here we go. When some little ghosty tries to act all cool and say boo, 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 I tell him right away, now what's your problem, ghosty? Scaring people ain't cool. And then he floats away. You wanna go again? And some little ghosty tries to act all cool and say boo, boo, boo. I tell him right away, now what's your problem, ghosty? Scaring people ain't cool. And then he floats away. Okay, so let's read our first book of the story time. So we're going to start off with Boo Hoo. This book's really adorable. This is Boo. Hi, over here actually. Boo is new. Whoa, good one, Rex. Beep, boop. He's a robot. Being new can be scary, even when everyone is friendly. Hi, I'm Boo. Whoa, didn't see you there. I'm Gizmo. Want to play with us? Beep, boop. Rex. Rex is a dinosaur. Here, catch. Boo has trouble fitting in. He can't play bounce ball. Look, it went right through him. Or pick up twigs. Or tag. You tagged me? Oh, sorry. I couldn't feel it. For ghosty. Sigh. Come on, let's play a new game. Would anyone even care if Boo just disappeared? I mean, I would care. Boo hoo. Everyone else had started a game of hide and seek. 9, 8, 7. Soon, Gizmo finds Rex. And Wild. I knew you'd be up there. And Sprinkles. Found your Sprinkles? I'm not Sprinkles, I'm a rock. But where is Boo? Boo, where are you? Everyone helps look. Boo? Maybe Boo is behind this rock. It's a great hiding spot. Boo, are you up there? Boo! Look, he's behind them every time, but they can't see him because he's a ghosty. At last, a game that Boo can play. Boo, Boo, where can he be? Brr, beep, boop, hee hee. Boo, here I am. Whoa, hooray! This is Boo. He's new, but he fits right in. 3, 2, 1, ready or not, here I come. See, everybody can fit in. Just have to make sure that you try your best to be their friend. Okay, so next is a poem, and make sure that you follow along. It's called The 5 Little Pumpkins. You might have heard of it before. I have some little felt pieces that go along with it. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, but we don't care. I think I would care. It'd be kind of spooky. The fourth one said, let's run and run. And the fifth one said, it's Halloween fun. Why do you think he says that? Because he's a jack-o'-lantern. The other ones are trendy, so they're dyed different colors. Are you guys going to carve or paint pumpkins this year? Hope you guys do. That's one of the funnest things about Halloween. Okay, so let's sing Boo 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 one more time. Actually, I'm going to sing it again, but I really like this song if you can't tell. When some little ghosty tries to act all cool and say boo boo boo, I tell him right away, now what's your problem, ghosty, scaring people ain't cool. And then he floats away. Spooky season is here now. Let's have some fun and don't be late. Spooky season is here now. Halloween is here for just one day. Let's have some fun. Okay. So our second book is called The Scariest Book Ever. I don't think it's very scary, but I guess it's up to you to decide. Here we go. Scariest book ever. Pretty spooky. Boo. I'm a spooky ghost. Scary, right? Speaking of scary, did you see those dark woods a few pages back? Let's try to find them. I thought they were a few pages back. Oh, those spooky woods. They're probably crawling with hungry monsters with smelly breath, sharp fangs, and pointy claws. I sure can't wait to find out. Hope I don't spill this orange juice on my nice white... Whoops! Well, would you look at that? I'm so clumsy. Now I have nothing to wear. I guess you'll have to go into the dark, scary woods without me. You go check them out, and I'll meet you in a couple pages. Spooky. Well, what did you see? A dark hole? Nothing good ever comes out of a dark hole. It's okay. You don't have to go back. You can stay here and help me with the haunted housework. We'll tell spooky stories and clean the bathroom. That's scary, right? Oh, look, just a fluffy little bunny jumped out of the hole. That's not scary. Well, what came out of the hole? Something scary, I bet. Snakes made out of bees, a spider in a crabby mood, broccoli? Wait, what? A bunny? No way. Are you trying to trick me so I go into the woods and get scared? Well, things are pretty scary right here. See, a kitty drinking milk. Maybe it's the kind of kitty that doesn't like hugs. That's scary. Hey, where are you going? Look at that spooky woods. Everybody just seems to be having a lot of fun. Okay, tell me what you just saw. No, don't tell me. Okay, tell me. No, don't. Whimsical woodland creatures, invitations to a party. Nice try. What's next? Pumpkin picking in a pumpkin patch? Don't leave. I got us donuts. Spooky donuts. Those aren't really spooky, are they? Look, all the woodland creatures having fun with pumpkins. Ooh, I'm not being spooky. I just have a bellyache. So what was it this time? A damp basement full of rats. A mean big kid, the word moist. Pumpkin picking, the thing I said a couple of pages ago, that's the best you could do? Give me a break. You think I died yesterday? I'm not falling for that. I'm staying right here. Only has a bellyache because he ate all the spooky donuts. Now see what you did? You scared the cat with your crazy stories. Look at her, she's terrified. Can't you just stay here on this page? You know, to comfort the cat. Oh look, now they're doing all kinds of arts and crafts. You're back. Are you okay? I didn't hear any screaming. What did you see? Crafts and cupcakes, really? I'm starting to think the woods aren't that scary after all. Okay, I guess I could pop by for a minute, you know, to save you from the cupcakes. I mean, the super scary monsters. look, they're all dressed up and now they're spooky. What was that? Why didn't you warn me? Are you trying to scare me more to death? What now? Costumes? Party? You sure? Okay, Kitty, but you go first. Oh, haha, very funny. I wasn't scared. I knew it was you guys the whole time. No one loves a good costume party more than a naked ghost. What a silly ghost, huh? That actually goes with our craft this week, which is a ghost card. And it has bat wings, so it's extra spooky. When you open it up, it says, boo. So you can make that and give it to a friend. Okay, so let's sing boo, boo, boo one more time. This time I mean it. When some little ghosty tries to act all cool and say boo, 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 I tell him right away, now what's your problem, ghosty? Scared when people ain't cool. And then he floats away. Spooky season is here now. Let's have some fun and don't be late. Get some candy and dress up. Halloween is here for just one day. Let's have some fun. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy this story time, and we'll have even more for November. So I hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye now.